You're watching the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
9:42, 6-year-old gives back to a nonprofit through his unique DIY airplane business. Nicholas Bubeck, founder of Creations by Nicholas, joins us now. Nicholas, good morning.
Good morning.
You look like you are ready to tell us all about your project.
Yes.
How old are you, sir?
6 years old.
You're 6 years old and you're making planes?
Yes.
Okay, tell me all about it.
My mom told me to start a business during the coronavirus. One day my mom brought out this huge box of crafts and they made one plane, and then my baby brother tried to take it away from me.
Your little brother took it away from you?
And then a light bulb came on and I said, hey, my business should be selling craft planes.
So your little brother, did I hear that right, Nicholas? Your little brother took your plane away from you?
So I made one for him.
Oh, so you made one for him, but he's also the reason the light bulb went on. Okay,
Yes.
so you decided you're gonna do a whole business and you're gonna make planes.
Yes.
And is your business in front of you right now?
Yes.
Okay, can you
Yes.
take us through and tell me about what you created, Mr. 6-year-old?
A plane and kits. And the plane looks like this. And they have cool wheels that can roll, and then it also has a special clipboard who can hold anything, even a picture.
So if another little kid is watching right now, oh, there's more. I'm sorry, go ahead.
And it has all the materials you need for popsicle sticks, a glue, one little stick, a clip, 2 little wheel sticks, 2 wheels, and 2 corks, and a bottle cap, and the glue.
Oh, and the glue, because you can't forget the glue. You need the glue.
Yes.
So you made this set so that other little kids, their moms and dads, can purchase these for them, and then they can make their own planes at home while they're all home right now.
Yes, and I love planes because they let you travel right now, but you can't travel right now. So I made these planes to imagine that you're traveling to wherever you want.
I love the imagination. Can you tell me in your imagination what you do with all the money from the planes you're selling?
I'm gonna get a house on the beach.
For yourself?
No, for my whole family.
Oh, so you're going to take all the money and buy a house on the beach with the planes that you're selling for you and your family.
And they also have the Kids for Kids program. The Kids for Kids program gives free kits to kids whose mom and dad who's treating the coronavirus.
Wow, so you're doing something good as well with this money.
Yes.
Now, who is the mama or the dada behind you?
My mom is behind.
I see you looking at your mom. Where's your mom's hand?
What?
Where's your mom's hand?
My mom's hand is right there.
There you go. Mama, you should be very proud. You have a beautiful and very smart young man there.
Some of the money.
What do you...
I donate to the Triple Heart Foundation. The Triple Heart Foundation gives free books to the NICU all around the country, and I was in the NICU too, and they helped me a lot.
You were in the NICU? Do you remember being in the NICU, Nicholas?
Yes.
You do? What was that like for you?
I was supposed to be born in November, but I was actually in August.
You were born in August, and you were supposed to be born in November. That's
And
good.
I was so grateful.
And you're so what?
I was so grateful.
You're grateful. We're grateful you're here, you know, because you're so special. That's why you were born a little bit earlier. You know that, right?
Thank you very much.
And you know the world wanted to see you. That's why you were born. Can we see your beautiful mama?
Oh no.
Come on, Mama. Mama, you can't put your kid up on TV and have him do DIY planes without us seeing who's behind that sweet little smile.
He's the CEO. He's the star.
He's the
one that's doing this, and this was his idea to give back and to have his business. And tell Shali about all the orders you're getting from people all over.
I'm getting orders from all around the world, and I also have some orders from.
Oh, who's that? No, don't.
No.
Who was that? Is that the brother that took your airplane?
Yes.
Okay, bring him in.
Okay.
Shelly said she could be in.
Okay.
I said bring the brother in. Hello, brother that sparked the light bulb. Oh, honey.
Hi.
Say hi.
Can you try to Shali? Okay.
Oh, I know how it goes.
We'll lock the door this time.
No, don't lock the door. Come on, Mama Nadine. You know we know how it goes. What happened? What did you say, Nicholas?
That's the brother who took my plane.
Yes, I know that's the brother that took your plane, and that's the brother that sparked the light bulb idea, and that's the brother that helped you sit over there. And now you are the CEO of your own company. See, siblings can be good, even when they cry and they're sometimes annoying. I get it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Nicholas. Congratulations on your success. If you want to order one of these DIY planes, yes, you could go to Creations by Nicholas, head to fox5sandiego.com, click the Scene On tab. Nicholas, will you give me a high five over TV? Proud of you. And be nice to your brother.
Got it.
Isn't that cute? Aww.